So we are just about to start literal van life. We've done van tours a couple times before, but we've never gone like full van life, especially in a place like Mexico with these two monsters that we have here. Yeah, they might look unassuming right now, but you just wait. Anyway, we spent the last 3 months in Sayulita. I mean, it's been an amazing, absolutely amazing view. We've just been grinding out pictures and video and just trying to have a good time. We've both been working like part-time jobs and stuff along the way. But our time here is up. And it's time that we do van life.
Van life, let's get started.
All right, let's check out the van.
Are you ready for it?
All right, we got our van. This is a 19.5-foot van. It's totally built out. I mean, it's got everything that we could possibly think of that we might possibly need, even the things that you can't see. 300 watts of solar on top, 4 deep cycle AGM batteries with 425 amp hours of life. We got the lift on the thing. We got the big tires on this mother. We got the awning on the outside. I mean, we are fully equipped. I'll show you the inside here real quick. This was must-have for Masha if we were going to do van life in Mexico.
I mean, number one priority, right?
Number one priority, yeah. And that is this little master bathroom here.
I mean, how can you do van life without toilet and shower?
Yeah, I mean, toilet and shower is nice. I think we're going to have to get an extension for this thing, though, for the dogs. Otherwise, we're going to be washing them right here after every beach day. Anyways.
And we're going to have lots of them in Mexico.
Yeah. I mean, especially since we're going down the coast. I mean, the idea is that we're going to go down the coast of Mexico, down through Central America, ship the van over the Darien Gap, and then try to make it down to Patagonia. That's the goal, everybody.
Big plans.
So we'll see what we can do. Anyways, we got the sink and we got 37 gallons of fresh water that I don't know that I would call totally fresh because it came from the cistern in the house, but at least we can use it to wash dishes. We know that for sure. We got a couple cooktops here. We got the microwave that we never use that I'm gonna probably lobby to get rid of at some point so we have more storage. Pretty decent size refrigerator with not that much in it at this point. I think we would starve if we tried to go boondocking, so I think we need to do a little shopping today. We got our pantry in here. Okay, maybe we will survive if we are okay with drinking balsamic vinegar and drinking adobo sauce. Bunch of storage. This guy folds out to a full queen bed, which is pretty cool. All you got to do is, electronically put this thing down. Other than that, we got a full AC, totally necessary in Mexico, of course. We got the exhaust fan here for blowing in and blowing out. So if we get the AC going, we can blow it out to get that hot air out and keep the cool air coming in. I mean, other than that, that's like the main stuff. But we feel good to go. It does have the heater in case we go to the mountains, or if we do make it to Patagonia, which is the goal.
Fingers crossed.
In the wintertime, then we might need this, which is propane power. We got the propane on the outside. But this beast is ready to go. I'm not sure that we're ready to go, but
we'll see.
We're gonna give it a shot. So let's do it.
The whole team is ready now.
Damn right they are. Look at those handsome characters. Especially this one. Look at these perfect little puppies.
Ready for any
perfect-
adventure.
Perfect little perritos. Huh? Ready for any adventure we throw at them. Especially Hilo, and adventures we don't throw at him.
Such a troublemaker.
That he decides to take on his own. Fucking asshole.
I love you.
Mm-hmm. We do. Even though we didn't give you breakfast because you were being a dickhead. You ready?
That's a magic moment.
What? Putting it in drive?
Yeah.
Taking off the e-brake?
The first day of van life.
Honestly, I'm concerned with the load that we have right now and the full water tank, 37 gallons. Whether we're gonna make it up this hill.
Well, we can make it
Maybe
somehow.
we might be stuck in Sayulita forever. Which I don't know would be such a bad thing. Sayulita has been amazing.
It actually reminded us Canggu in Bali, in Indonesia.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, for anybody that's been to Canggu, it's a total expat town, like super chill. Hola amigos. Adios. Thanks for not robbing us while we were here. Let's go. Come on, baby. Here we go.
Woo!
Yeah. This was the test right here. Oh no. We got a truck on the way down.
Dogs are being patient for now.
Dogs are doing good.
So guys, remember us, like
Alive?
we are now positive, alive, clean, and ready
we go.
for adventure.
Yeah, everything else is downhill from here.
So yeah, it's been 3 months here in Sayulita. That was really, really nice after sitting at home because of COVID for a whole year. But we really miss adventures. We really miss new places, hiking, diving, all the fun stuff we had before.
Honestly, I forget what it's like to travel, to tell you the truth.
Yeah, so
Even after being in Sayulita, like traveling to Mexico, I feel like we were just a couple of tourists basically for 3 months. But now, I mean, we really have to get back into it. And it's going to be a hell of an April. I mean, we got like 25 destinations we're going to. We're going to Cenotes. We're going to like a bunch of different waterfalls. We're going to travertines. We're going to hit up some Mayan ruins, some Aztec ruins. We're going to try to check out Mexico City.
we're gonna visit volcano near Mexico City.
Volcano, hopefully. And then we want to go check out Yalapa too and see some of our friends that are down there right now.
Yeah, but now we're going to Boca.
We're going to Boca, but Boca is just the parking lot for Yalapa, where we're going to go see a couple of friends. I mean, at least for, I don't know, a day or two. And then we're going to head out east. So we're on the west coast right now near Puerto Vallarta, and then we're going to go out to Yucatan Peninsula and try to see just about everything we can in between. But we got another meetup with people on at the end of the month, and so we really only have like 28 days to get across and see 25 different destinations, including the monarch butterfly migration, which could be a couple days. I mean, it's going to be challenging to say the least, but we're going to give it our We're gonna give it the surf and turf travel effort here. Oh, sorry. Cora, where's a parking spot? Find it. Parking spot. Find it. I need a 25 footer. Show me. Where's the parking spot? Find it. Yeah, I know, it's a classic. Not in this town. Oh my God, I almost forgot my whiskey rocks. These are essential.